Well, you know, as we ladies age, we have a tendency to share our health stories with one another, right? Well, perhaps you have heard of the term HRT, or hormone replacement therapy. But do you really know what that means? Here to explain is Dr. Meghna Thacker, where she's with SottoPelleTherapy, and with her is one of her patients, Marcia Warner. First of all, thank you, both of you ladies, for being here. And Marcia, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you for having us.
So let's just do a little quick recap, if we can, Dr. Thacker, what HRT really is.
So HRT, the hormone replacement therapy, at SottoPelle, we specialize in the pellet therapy. There are different delivery systems of hormone.
Okay.
We specialize in the pellet therapy. These hormones are plant-based. They are bioidentical, which means the shape of the hormone is exactly the shape of what our body naturally made. So we are replacing what is now deficient.
Okay. Well, our bodies were making naturally at one point and now no longer making.
That's right.
So we talk a lot about the symptoms and things that come along that women experience, you know, the fatigue and the weight gain. But Marcia, your situation was a little bit different. At a very young age, you ended up having to have is it a complete hysterectomy?
Yes, complete hysterectomy.
And so your body responded to that how?
Well, about a year after that, I started to see the symptoms. I wasn't sleeping well. I was very moody. Just fatigue at the end of the day. And so after that, I just feel like I needed to pursue some options as far as trying to get back to my regular self.
Yeah. You said to me your husband actually kind of pointed all that out
to you. He did. He reminded me I was getting a little moody, so he helped me work that out.
Well, thank you. We just love our husbands for that, don't we? So
We
as
do.
a result, you really did some of your own homework and your own research, and you ended up with SottoPelle.
Yes.
So tell me how you feel now and how that process was for you.
Very easy process for me. As I was having some of those symptoms I was experiencing, they were just getting worse and worse. As I said, my husband kind of stepped in to help. And then he found Dr. Thacker. I made an appointment, went in, and it was a very easy process. It just was really quick. And about 2 weeks later, I was already feeling better.
Fantastic.
And a month, and I felt, like I said, back to myself again.
Right. You know, here's the thing too, Dr. Thacker, you say that a lot of, and in your case, you know, when you lose your female organs, those are the ones that make all of the hormones to begin with, lose them at such a young age, that does other things to our body. How is the hormone replacement therapy helping with our overall health?
That's very important because it's helping the prevention part, because when we lose our hormones, we are more prone to chronic diseases like osteoporosis, we lose our bone density, we are prone to cardiovascular disease. So we are preventing it actually by replacing the hormones.
So this is really a preventative measure as much as it is us feeling ourselves again.
Exactly.
You know, Marcia, where do you think you would be, I don't mean physically, but feeling right now, had you not really taken action for your own health?
Really depressed. I was really heading in that direction. So the call came at the perfect time.
Yeah, yeah. And I think a lot of people can really, women can really relate to that. You treat men as well, is that right?
Absolutely.
And do men begin to lose their hormones right about the same time as women?
Yes, they go through something called andropause, you know, when they
Not
start...
menopause, but
andropause.
Huh.
And they start to feel tired, they are sluggish, a lack of motivation, a lack of sex drive.
And you do the same delivery system with men that you do with women with the pellets?
Yes,
okay.
with the testosterone. And the good part is that the testosterone that we use in men is also bioidentical and natural.
Yes, that's very, very important to know. Always good information. Ladies, and Marcia, thank you for coming in.
You're welcome.
And
It's a pleasure
sharing
to be
your
here.
story as well. Thank you, Dr.
Thank
Thacker.
you.
Let me give you some information for SottoPelleTherapy. They're located at 8412 East Shea Boulevard. That's Suite 101 in Scottsdale. And they also have locations in Paradise Valley, Chandler, and Glendale. Call 480-874-1515. Learn more on their website, SottoPelleTherapy.com.